Michael Brooks, the CEO and founder of the online freelance marketplace goLance, has shared insights on how his company leverages XRP to facilitate rapid payments to freelancers worldwide. By the way, what is Ripple Payments and what makes it new? Will XRP still be used? We will also be looking at the reason behind the SEC's ongoing discussion with Grayscale regarding the launch of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Finally, should we consider it strange that there is still no application for a spot XRP exchange-traded fund despite the coin receiving legal clarity? Stick with me till the end to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of November. In an exclusive interview with Ripple, Brooks unveiled goLance's innovative use of XRP to enable seamless payments to freelancers on its platform via Ripple's payment solution, RippleNet. Brooks first highlighted that goLance, a platform entirely composed of freelancers, is dedicated to addressing the unique challenges freelance workers face globally. He stressed the company's commitment to developing global technologies and tools that aid paying freelancers efficiently. In the interview, Brooks detailed goLance's strategic collaboration with RippleNet. He noted that the freelance platform focused on underserved corridors where payment challenges are most acute. According to goLance CEO, their approach enabled them to penetrate markets with significant growth potential but plagued by payment difficulties. Notably, a key pain point addressed by goLance through RippleNet is the delay in payment processing. Brooks illustrated the impact of the partnership by citing the example of a freelancer earning $50 a week in the Philippines. The goLance CEO emphasized that such a person cannot afford to wait 3 days to receive payment for services rendered. Besides, he noted that conventional payment systems could consume 5 to 10% of such earnings in transaction fees. Would you like to pay 5 to 10% of your salary just to the bank that sends you the money? Brooks asked rhetorically. However, by working with RippleNet and leveraging the XRP ledger, goLance eliminates transaction fees and bypasses traditional banking delays. Brooks explained that payments sent through RippleNet can convert from fiat to XRP and back to fiat in the recipient's currency in seconds. He noted that the efficiency is especially beneficial during weekends when banks are closed. In other words, freelancers can access their earnings promptly for essential needs like groceries. Ultimately, Brooks summed up the advantages of using RippleNet and XRP, stating, "It's the future to work with money that doesn't sleep and doesn't close the door when the banks do." It is worth mentioning that goLance has been a Ripple partner since 2020. So will other freelancing sites make use of XRP for payments, and will you consider it as a mode of payment? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Ripple Payments was a pivotal point of discussion at the Ripple Swell conference. Wack first cited Ripple's description of the new venture. Per the statement, Ripple Payments is a new feature incorporated with the XRP ledger's native DEX to bolster global liquidity options. One of the objectives is simplifying onboarding into new markets and enhancing product performance. Furthermore, Wack cited Ripple's President Monica Long's address of Ripple Payments at the Swell conference. Similarly, Long characterized it as a unified onboarding experience. Besides, a Ripple Insight article underscored that clients can access virtually 100% of global payout coverage across more than 70 markets. This happens via Ripple's international payment system with a single onboarding. It is worth mentioning that Ripple Payment now takes the place of on-demand liquidity, ODL. As a result, Wack noted that the term ODL is fading from Ripple's marketing, although the function remains. According to Wack, the new narrative positions Ripple Payments as crypto-enabled, with an example of Africa using the technology to establish multiple payment corridors between the rest of the world and Africa. The service claims to meet customers' liquidity needs at any time. However, Wack argued there is some ambiguity about its novelty. Furthermore, Wack highlighted that Rocket Fuel, a payment solution provider for merchants handling crypto and fiat transactions, is the first known user of Ripple Payments. Leveraging Ripple's extensive payout network, Rocket Fuel addresses customer payment demands in multiple currencies. He added that the solution aligns with Ripple's long-standing vision of facilitating the seamless movement of value. Meanwhile, the XRP influencer anticipated that more specific details about Ripple payment would surface following Ripple Swell. Some of the questions raised include how Ripple payments differs from Ripple's previous products. Also, the XRP Army seeks the specifics of the XRPL integration and the significance of having Rocket Fuel as the first client. Besides, they want to know where liquidity hubs fit into the equation and the role of tokenization. Wrapping up his insights, Watt confirmed that Ripple is dedicated to continuing its focus on payments and using XRP within them through the new Ripple Payments product. He remarked, "Oh, and if it wasn't clear enough, yes, XRP is used." Furthermore, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO at Ripple, has reacted to reports about the discussion between the SEC and crypto asset manager Grayscale regarding a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. As reported earlier, the SEC recently opened talks with Grayscale regarding the company's bid to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF. It can be recalled that the securities regulator had denied Grayscale's application to convert its Bitcoin trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF. The harsh decision prompted Grayscale to take legal action against the regulator. In a landmark ruling in August, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit ruled in favor of Grayscale. The court ordered the SEC to review the decision that resulted in the denial of Grayscale's application to launch a spot-traded Bitcoin fund. Following the decision, the SEC has now opened talks with Grayscale. The leading asset manager is currently discussing the conversion with the SEC's Division of Corporation Finance and Trading in Markets. Reacting to the development, Garlinghouse bashed SEC Chair Gary Gensler due to the Commission's delay in opening talks with Grayscale for the spot Bitcoin ETF conversion. Garlinghouse described Gensler as a political liability based on his approach to crypto regulation. He emphasized that financial regulators in other countries engage proactively and constructively with the crypto industry. However, the same cannot be said for the U.S. SEC, which has been criticized for regulating the industry through enforcement. It bears mentioning that Garlinghouse is not the first Ripple exec to call Gensler a political liability. Earlier this year, Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderety stated that Gensler serves a political liability due to his adverse enforcement actions against crypto-related firms. It is worth noting that the SEC and Ripple have been embroiled in a multi-year legal battle since December 2020. Although Gensler did not file the lawsuit against Ripple, the SEC chair has acted in ways that have continued to upset the blockchain company and other crypto stakeholders. Under Gensler's leadership, the SEC has sued multiple crypto firms, including Coinbase and Binance, for allegedly violating federal securities laws. Now to the big question of the day: why is there still no application for a spot XRP exchange-traded fund despite the coin receiving legal clarity? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Founder of Dizzer Capital, Yasin Mubarak, has expressed concern over the absence of a spot exchange-traded fund application for XRP. Notably, the quest to launch a spot ETF for crypto assets intensified yesterday after the world's largest asset manager, Blackrock, filed an application with the US SEC to roll out a spot-traded Ethereum fund. The asset manager had previously applied to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF, joining other top financial institutions like Fidelity Investments and Grayscale in the race. Following BlackRock's recent application, Mubarak said he finds it odd that there is still no spot ETF application for XRP, a coin he described as the only asset with legal clarity. Recall that XRP recorded a major victory on July 13th after a New York federal court rejected the SEC's claim about the asset. In the landmark ruling, Judge Torres declared that XRP in itself is not a security. Interestingly, the SEC did not challenge the court's declaration about XRP during its push to certify an interlocutory appeal. Although the SEC did not signal its intention to challenge the security status of XRP, the ongoing lawsuit has continued to affect the chances of a top financial institution applying to offer a spot XRP ETF in the United States. The lawsuit has continued to linger, with the case set to enter the remedies phase. As reported, the SEC and Ripple submitted a letter to the court proposing a schedule for the remedies briefing and discovery. The remedies phase of the lawsuit will determine the appropriate penalty Ripple may face for violating securities laws via its $770 million worth of XRP sales to institutional clients. While the SEC wants the entire $770 million as fine, Ripple could attempt to reduce the penalty by subtracting its legitimate business expenses. In the meantime, the court has yet to issue a decision regarding the recently submitted proposal for the remedies phase of the lawsuit. Make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.